G'day, I'm here with a team from My Home Turf, who are Australia's largest network of turf farmers and suppliers. Today we're in the leafy suburb of Park Orchards, situated at the gateway to Victoria's Yarra Valley. This is our biggest turf job for the series, which means we need to bring out the big machinery. So here we go with our biggest luxury lawn makeover. I recommend Lee goes with My Home Turf's Prestige Buffalo, which is the next generation buffalo with the newest genetics on the market and a deep green colour. This will give an overall look and feel of a green, luxurious but hardy lawn and lift the appearance of the home.
The job is complete. We can't thank Dale and the team enough. It looks fantastic. We just want to get out here now and enjoy it, have a barbecue, kick the footy.
All right, the job's all done. It looks amazing. A big thanks to the team at My Home Turf. Wow, what a project to work on and what a result.